Dear students, in this session we are going to solve past years JEE questions. The PNQR past real numbers such that p square plus q square equal to 1. Then the maximum value of p plus q is the max value of p plus q is 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 2. P square plus q square equal to 1. Let p equal to cos theta q equal to sin theta. Cos square plus sin square equal to 1. So cos square theta plus 1. P plus q cos theta plus sin theta. We know that minus of a square plus b square less than a cos theta plus b sin theta less than therefore minus of 1 plus 1 cos theta plus hence max value of p plus q is root 2. Let's let a comma b belongs to or be such that the function f given by log x plus bx square plus ax x not equal 0 has extreme value at x equal to -1 and x equal to statement 1. F has local maximum at x equal to -1 and at x equal to statement 2. A equal to 1/2, B equal to -1/4. So f of x equal to log x plus bx square plus ax. F dash of x 1/x plus 2bx plus a. F of x has extreme values at x equal to -1 and x equal to, which implies f of -1 equal to 0, f dash of -1 equal to 0 and f dash of 2 equal to 0, which implies -1 minus 2b plus a equal to 0. One by 2 plus 4b plus a equal to 0. One minus 2 gives -1 minus half, that is -1 minus half, minus 2b minus 4b, this will be cancelled, equal to 0. Minus 3/2 equal to 6b. b equal to minus 3/2 into 1/6. That is b equal to minus 1/4. -1 minus 2b plus a equal to 0. 2 into minus 1/4 plus a equal to 0. a equal to 3 by 2. Sorry, a equal to, which implies minus 1 plus half plus a equal to 0. A equal to 1 by 2. A equal to 1 by 2, B equal to minus 1 by 4. So f of x equal to log x minus 1 before x squared plus 1 by 2x. F dash of x 1 by x plus 1 by 2. 1 by x minus x by 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 minus x square plus x. Minus of x square minus x minus 2 by 2. Minus of x minus 2 into x plus 1 by 2. Here plus 2, here minus 1. When there is this minus of 1, suppose take minus 2. Here negative, here negative, here negative. So minus sign. Minus x plus 2 I did mistake. Here we have 2x. 2x. Here we should have 0 here. When x is less than minus 1, here negative, all negatively positive. Between minus 1 to 0, suppose take minus 0.5, here minus, minus plus, here minus, here plus, minus sign. Take plus 0.5, here positive, here positive, here negative, here positive. Take more than 2, this is positive, this is positive, positive, minus. So here changes sign from plus to minus, here also changes sign plus to minus. So f dash of x changes sign from positive to negative at x equal to minus 1 and at x equal to 2. Hence f of x is f of x has local maximum at x equal to -1 and x equal to 2. Therefore, statement 1 and 2 are correct. Statement 2 is a correct explanation for statement 1. Let f a function of R to R be a continuous function defined by f of x equal to 1 by e power x plus 2 e power minus x. Statement 1. F of c equal to 1 by 3 for some c belongs to R. Statement 2. 0 less than f of x less than equal to 1 by 2 root 2. For all x belongs to R. Option A. Statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is true. Statement 2 is not a correct explanation for statement 1. Statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is false. Statement 1 is false. Statement 2 is true. Option D. Statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is true. Statement 2 is a correct explanation of statement 1. That is option D. F of x 1 by e power x plus 2 e power minus x, that is 1 by e power x plus 2 by e power x, 1 by e power x into e power x plus 2 by e power x, that is e power x divided by e power 2x plus 2. F dash of x u dash e power x into e power 2x plus 2 minus e power x into 2 into e power 2x divided by e power 2x plus 2 the whole squared. So f dash of x equal to e power x into e power 2x plus 2 e power x minus 2 into e power x e power 2x divided by e power 2x plus 2 the whole squared. Equal to two e power x minus e power x whole squared. E power x e power 2x, here twice e power x e power 2x minus that, if you add minus e power x e power 2x. F dash 0 implies 2 e power x minus e power x e power 2x equal to 0. E power x 2 minus e power 2x equal 0. E power x not equal to 0. 2 minus e power 2x equal to 0. E power x the whole squared. E power x equal to root 2. So f of x equal to e power x by e power 2x by 2, that is e power x by e power x whole square plus 2, and e power x equal to root 2, f of x equal to root 2 by root 2 whole square by 2. Root 2 by 4. 1 by root 2. This is always positive. Lowest value will be 0. If x takes the minus infinity, so there is always, the whole term is always positive. So f of x is greater than 0, therefore 0 less than f of x less than equal to 1 by 2 root 2. Since 0 less than 1 by 3 less than 1 by 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 means 2 into 1.414, 2.828. Here there is 1.288, here 1.3. This is less than this one. For some value c belongs to our real numbers which is less than 0 to greater than 1 by 3. Some c lies between 0 and 1 by 2 root 2. Let it be c. So f of c equal to 1 by 3. So both statements are true. Statement 2 is correct. Exponents of set number 1. So option D is correct in this case. For x belongs to 0, pi by 2, define f of x equal to 0 to x, root is sin t dt, then f has option A local minimum at pi and 2 pi, local minimum at pi and local maximum at 2 pi. Local maximum at pi, local minimum at 2 pi. Local maximum at pi n 2 pi. So f of x equal to 0 to x root t sin t dt. Differentiate f dash of x. It's a Leibniz rule. In place of t, you have to apply x, that is root x into sin x. Differentiate x, that is 1, minus in place of t, you substitute 0, the answer will be 0. That is called Leibniz rule. Differentiating integral sign. First, differentiate f dash of x, apply upper limit into differentiate upper limit. So that is 1, minus lower limit, differentiate lower limit. If you apply lower limit, answer will be 0. So root x sin x. So f dash of x is 0. For extreme values, first derivative should be equal to 0. Root x into sin x 0. Root x equal to 0, root x equal to 0 or sin x equal to 0. That means x equal to 0, x equal to n pi. The given interval 0 to, that means x equal to pi comma 2 pi belongs to 0 comma 5 pi by 2. You find f double dash of x. Root x 1 by 2 root x into sin x plus root x into cos x. F double dash of 0, that is 0. F double dash of pi, here 0, root pi into minus 1, that is minus root pi less than 0. F double dash of 2 pi, root of 2 pi, this will become 0, 0 plus root 2 pi into 1, that is root 2 pi, which is greater than 0. So f has local maximum at x equal to pi, and local minimum at x equal to 2 pi. Option C is correct. So we will solve more problems, past year's problems. We will continue solve past problems in coming classes. Thank you.